Want to play music from your smartphone in your 2012 to 2020 Volkswagen Golf VII? This guide covers connecting your phone via Bluetooth, including steps, limitations, and upgrade options for a seamless listening experience. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Go to your phone's settings and turn Bluetooth on. In your Golf 7, navigate to Setup in the infotainment menu, then select Bluetooth and choose Add Device. Choose your phone from the list that appears. Confirm the PIN, which is usually 0000 or 1234, and grant media audio permissions. Make sure your device is within 10 meters to ensure a stable connection. Your Golf 7 supports A2DP, the Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, which enables stereo music streaming from your smartphone to the car's speakers. It also supports AVRCP, the Audio-Video Remote Control Profile, which provides basic playback controls like play, pause, and skip. However, audio quality is limited to the SBC codec, Bluetooth's standard compression format. This provides acceptable sound for most listeners, but it's not high fidelity like aptX or LDAC codecs found in newer systems. The Golf 7 uses older Bluetooth versions, typically 3.0 or 4.0, which are outdated compared to Bluetooth 5.x in newer vehicles. This can lead to pairing inconsistencies or dropouts, especially with the latest smartphones. Some smartphones may require enabling car mode in their settings for optimal Bluetooth performance. Understanding these compatibility limitations up front will help you manage expectations when using Bluetooth audio in your Golf 7. Many Golf 7 owners experience common Bluetooth issues like pairing inconsistencies, unexpected connection dropouts, and audio quality problems. These can usually be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try forgetting the device on both your phone and the car's infotainment system, then repair them. This clears any corrupted connection data and starts fresh. Second, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are interfering. Turn off nearby gadgets, avoid Wi-Fi signals, and keep your phone within 10 meters of the car during pairing and use. Third, consider installing a Bluetooth Auto Connect app like Bluetooth Auto Connect. These apps help maintain stable connections and automatically reconnect when you enter the car. Fourth, if problems continue, an aftermarket Bluetooth adapter can provide better compatibility. These plug into the USB port and support newer Bluetooth versions for more reliable connections. If the built-in Bluetooth in your Golf 7 proves unreliable, consider upgrading with an aftermarket USB Bluetooth adapter. These adapters plug directly into your car's USB port, bypassing the stock system's limitations for more stable audio streaming. Many Golf 7 owners have reported success with this approach, achieving consistent wireless connections for music playback. Simply plug the adapter into an available USB port in your vehicle's infotainment system. Then, pair your smartphone with the adapter using the standard Bluetooth pairing process. This creates a direct wireless connection that often resolves dropouts and connection issues common in older Golf 7 models. The most successful adapters are those specifically designed to be compatible with Volkswagen's RNS 315 or 510 infotainment units. These retrofit solutions can provide wireless CarPlay options and improved codec support, extending the functionality of your Golf 7's audio system. While Golf 7 models don't natively support wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, aftermarket solutions can add this functionality. Dongles connect to your infotainment system, enabling wireless smartphone mirroring for navigation, music apps, and more. Note that setup typically starts with a one-time wired connection to pair the device. For the best audio quality and modern features, consider replacing the entire head unit with an aftermarket option. Brands like Alpine or Pioneer offer units with Bluetooth 5.0 or higher, supporting high-fidelity codecs such as aptX HD for lossless audio streaming. This provides superior sound quality, extended range, and more reliable connections compared to the stock Golf 7 system. These upgrades often include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. Community examples show Golf 7 owners installing custom Android head units that enable aptX HD for high-resolution audio playback, extending the vehicle's lifespan despite Volkswagen's discontinued support. While this is a larger project requiring professional installation, it's worth it for audio enthusiasts seeking future-proof performance and modern connectivity features. In summary, Playing music via Bluetooth in your Golf 7 ranges from basic streaming to advanced upgrades. Start with simple pairing, troubleshoot if needed, and explore adapters or head unit replacements for enhanced features. As older systems become obsolete, aftermarket solutions offer the best path to modern wireless audio.